you are not taking it away. The company will sell for you, market it for you, and then give you your money back, give you your profits, and also put 800 points for you. If you know what 800 points is, it is level 4. You are going to instant level 4. I always tell people that for those people that will tell you, I cannot market products, I cannot even bring people. But remember, if you're on GTPS, you have opportunity to get people because you have opportunity to advertise online, and then people will join you. So if you have not done that, please learn how to do the advertisement on Facebook or Instagram or any other social media. People will contact you because people are looking for a way to invest their money now. The economy is too bad. Those who are in the market will tell you their experience. Now, dollar is going high. You may have some goods you bought before the dollar went high. If you are able to sell it and you now go to buy another one, you see that the money you sell will not be able to recover the capital you place on that goods. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So the situation in this country now and even in the world is not guaranteed for buying and selling. Okay, so if you do this investment or this multi-level level marketing investment, you already have a platform whereby you earn monthly bonus. You can even qualify for award, both international trip worth of 700,000, small car worth of 2.8 million, and so on and so forth. So, but it is not that when we are talking, the people will think that it is a quick money. It is not a quick money. It is not a quick money avenue. It is not a Ponzi. It is not a Ponzi scheme. It's something you have to work and earn. But we are here to assist you. That is why we are holding this seminar every week, so that whatever challenges you are having, you can present it. Then we can tackle it as the matter, as the process is going on. So don't be afraid. I think people that made the investment at August and September, that are having their returns now. So it is real. But another thing I will inform you is that please don't just go and pay money into the bank, Green Life Company account. You have to find out from the leader in your team. That is the GTPS agent of your team. There is a slot that company releases for us each time we're having a badge of investment. For each badge, they will tell us how many they can take. If anybody pay money and without informing them, it's either if you are fortunate, there is still a slot remaining. If there is not, they will return your money. The last batch that is concluding that has concluded in September, there were some people they returned their money for because they did not ask for slots. So please, you are on a platform and you see the people that are admin in that platform. If you don't know who is agent in your team, go to the admin on any platform you are, so that you can ask if there is any slot remaining. The next batch of investment is starting from January. The company cannot take more than they can chew. They will always collect what they can pay back. You don't need, if you have made investments, you don't need to fear. And if you are getting people to do, we are sure that their money will not go away, will not miss. So that is about our investment, because so many people are asking about it. That is why I want to explain how it works for us today. Then the other part is the e-commerce, which whenever I talk about the e-commerce, I say the IT department are in best position to explain it for us. But because I myself, I can't explain it very well on how it works. but I know that you can upload you can post your Green Life products or any other product that cannot contradict with Green or compete with Green Life products and services. So by the time you know it, the whole world will know about this your products, and they may be requesting for it, because each and every one of you will be given a customized e-shop form, which is the e-shop will go with your link, with your email. Company is asking you for your email address, the correct email address. One thing we notice that some people are giving wrong email address. That some are even giving submitting an email that does not exist. When they see, they ask for any name at all. Maybe Obi, they will just write Obi1 yahoo.com or Obi. Please, your email you submit is what you are going to use for your e-shop. So please give the right email address, give phone number. If you don't want to give your regular phone number, you can buy a SIM card for this e-shop where people will be calling you when the process of this e-shop will be completed. So you have the access to post whatever you want to post. You can promote it anyhow you want to do it. It is your own business. Okay? Platform that don't allow you to promote, like Konga or Gigi or what is that one called? Jumai, that you want to be promoting for you. But here, the company gives you the chance to do your promotion by yourself. But the only thing is that they have to filter what you are posting. If it's not up to the quality way they want, they can advise you on how to do it to get the best out of it. So that even if you post something, it will not be something that people will not appreciate, because the quality of what you post can make it to be attracted to people or not. So that is what the IT department will be doing for you. And also the company will also be engaging in the advertisement of this platform. They will go to social medias to go and advertise it. Very soon you will start seeing billboards for GTPS. So you and me that joined this platform earlier, with advantage of it. By the time the people are start seeing billboard or social media or advertisement that the company will be doing, they say, this person have told me about it. Even if they don't believe you that time, they will get back to you. So it is good that you have done to yourself to join Green Life at this early time. But I'm not saying that those who will join after will not benefit, because there is one adage that our people used to say. They said that let's say people that are taking the cow to stream to drink water, that the cow that get there first will drink the good water. You know how cows used to do. By the time they go, many go, they will match the water, poop on the water, and the water will be dirty. So the animal, the next batch that will come, will start taking it like that. But the first batch must drink the best of the water. So please, you have done good for yourself to join GTPS at this time. Please, very soon, you will see our GTPS athletes everywhere, where you will be assisted to post your products. If you cannot do it by yourself, are you getting me? You can do it by yourself if you are professional on that matter. But if you have somebody like me who is not a professional, we can direct you to the area close to you where you can go and process your posting, and it will appear and presentable to the public to be able to patronize you. So that's all we can discuss about GTPS this afternoon. If you have any question to ask, you can ask. Thank you very much. I still remain Mrs. Christy Chukwujeku. Thank you very much. So if you have question, you can ask.
If you would like
Please,
to
IT
ask,
manager, you can unmute them to ask their question.
everyone is unmuted now. Everyone is unmuted. If you have any question you'd like to ask the Eagle of the Eagles, please indicate. You can go ahead, unmute yourself, ask your question on GTPS so that we can actually move forward. She's quite a very busy woman, so making out time to be with us this afternoon. If you have any question, let's throw it out so that we can, you know, entertain or get a feedback on it before she leaves us quickly.
I didn't say I was slogan today. GTPS, success all the way. GTPS
all the
for
way.
sure success. GTPS worldwide, global. Thank you very
Mr.
much.
Daniel. All right then. So want to thank every one of you. I want to thank you very much, Madam Christiana Chukwujeku, for making out the time to join us in our virtual seminar today and educating us more about GTPS. I want to thank you very, very much for that time you've made and helping us to come to see the various methods, opportunities therein, including the investment plan, and also letting us know of how the investment plan is done, you know, and the next phase of investment window, which will be coming up in January. We also want to thank you for the tips, success tips on attitude that can help us to succeed as a GTPS pioneer. So thank you very much. And we look forward to yet another time that we will be having your presence with us. So at this point, we want to say thank you to everybody who has joined in and enjoy this GTPS seminar. So this is how we say goodbye for today until we meet same time next week, Tuesday.
No question.
For now, no question, ma'am.
Okay, let me answer. There is one that somebody asked on our group.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yes. Please, I want to inform you that maybe you are in a group of GTPS training. We have so many groups. That is to show you that GTPS is already spreading. Don't delay yourself, please. Prospect those people you want to prospect now. Before you go to them, they say, Mr. A has prospected me or Mr. B have registered me. Prospect them now because we are spreading like fire. Please, somebody asked a question in one of the GTPS platform. One, she said, the 70,000 I pay, will it cover me for both the e-commerce and the investment and also, or will I be asked to pay another money? The answer is no. The 70,000 you pay have covered you for the 3 packages: referral platform, investment, and also e-commerce. That is to show you that Green Life, they have a liberal mind. Very happy in giving people the best of the best. Okay, then another question is, does my registration expire? No, it does not expire. You know, 70,000 we are paying, we are renting an e-shop. It is annually that you can only pay for the rent. Okay, there are so many platforms of e-commerce. I've ventured into some. I found out that we have the best. Some are collecting 50,000 a month. Some are collecting 200,000 a month. And you know, the higher the money, the higher the wide the range of coverage for you. So, but Green Life is giving us a worldwide coverage just for 70 naira per year. I don't know if there is better or the better thing again we can find. So, mind you, and also not just that you are paying that 70,000. That 3 million we mentioned that you can be earning it annually depending on you and the people you join. So that is why you should find it as good avenue. You should promote this site. You should promote this because anybody that is making 3 million annually, will you call the person, even if, I know it's not going to just be 3 million, because it's going to be increasing. Like as more as we are referring more people, the more that target, amount you are going to earn will increase. I know you are not going to stop at 2 people. Like me, I'm not stopping at 2 people. I keep on prospecting people every day. Have you heard about GTPS? They will tell me, no, what is it? And then I'll tell them about it and they register. Please, the hardship, the economy of the world now, before I used to say our country, but it's of the world now, is getting tough and tougher every day. So the tougher it goes, the tougher you will become. So when the going is tough, only the tough survives. Make yourself the tough one that will survive by the idea of this GTPS and getting people involved in it with you. So I hope I've answered that question, though I will still answer it in the platform, but I think it can benefit every one of us. That is why I answer it here. So that 70,000 will still be, commission will still be paid on it each time you renew your rent. Thank you very much.